We opened in February of 2018. We wanted to create a heavy collision center, specialize in that heavy collision, and get that car out better, faster, and for less money.
I want to take you guys inside of our Fix Auto Anaheim North location that is really on the cutting edge of innovation and design. Some good stuff inside. Come on in.
This is a body shop? You guys are fixing cars here? Yes. You guys are painting cars here? Yes. Wow, that's amazing. Cleanliness is the biggest differentiator in this body shop.
Full-time housekeeping is from 7:30 in the morning till 6 o'clock at night. It doesn't stop. We are open every square inch of this facility to the public at all times. Consumers love it. First thing they come in and go, wow, not seen this before. This shop was designed with a few goals in mind. One was to reduce risk and liability. So when a technician owns a car from the time it comes in to the time it comes out, there's a higher risk that's going to take place if that one person is responsible for all those skills. We do break it down to disassembly, mechanical, structural, preparation for paint, detail, and reassemble.
You no longer need to have 5 skill sets before you can walk into a body shop. What we have the ability to do is by separating all of the skill sets, we can train someone to pull frames in under 10 months. And then if they learn one department and they're ready to escalate their skill sets to another department, then that's an easy move.
So we want to make sure that we have specialists becoming great at the skills that they provide for the repair process. We're a body shop that gets cars that outperforms the competition by doing them better, faster, and for less money.
When do you think the car will be done? Well, you gave me everything that I needed, and you gave the customer everything that they needed to get their car fixed properly. I'll have the car done in 5 days. Not only are we doing it right, but we're doing it significantly faster than everybody else.
So I didn't want the motion of cars driving through the shop, the fumes burning, turning the steering wheel, which left marks on the floor and so forth. And I wanted a first come, first served system. So we went ahead and put the tracks in non-productive lanes, except disassemble and reassemble. Customer care is the face of Fix Auto. We don't have estimators up on the drive laying under cars. The ladies in customer care are trained to capture these jobs. They live with empathy and wide open arms to tend to the customer's needs. They're the sole contact to the insurance company, sole contact to the consumer. So all communications pre, interim, and post are done with customer care. Customers like it. They don't want to see nuts and bolts. They want to see confidence and comfort and know that they're in a good place. We want to outperform the competition. You know, what's the differentiator between Fix Auto and someone else? Performance, curb appeal, look and feel, customer satisfaction. The connotation that's out there with the name Fix Auto is very good. We're able to be less of a speed bump for an insurance carrier. When a vehicle is brought to this shop or one of the Fix Auto shops, that we can have a seamless and synchronous flow, you know, car in, car out.